Wait, stop scrolling for a moment, take a breath, and imagine this. Somewhere right now, maybe inside an old drawer, maybe hidden in a forgotten coin jar, or maybe resting quietly in a collector's album, there could be a small piece of metal that has the power to completely change someone's life. Yes, you heard that right. Because today we are talking about coins that look ordinary at first glance. Coins many people have seen before. Coins that once passed from hand to hand during everyday purchases. But what most people never realize is that a few extremely rare examples of these coins have become legendary in the world of numismatics. Collectors whisper about them at auctions, experts study them under magnification, and when they appear in the marketplace, they cause an explosion of excitement. Today, we will uncover the mysterious stories behind three fascinating coins. The Kennedy half-dollar, the presidential dollar honoring Grover Cleveland, and the historic Lincoln wheat penny. Each of these coins carries secrets from America's monetary history. Secrets hidden in their minting process, their metal composition, their design, and their survival through decades of circulation. By the end of this video, you may never look at your pocket change the same way again. Because one small detail, one tiny minting anomaly, or one extraordinary grade can turn an ordinary coin into a treasure collector's dream about. And before we begin this incredible journey into the hidden world of rare American currency, welcome to your trusted destination for legendary coin discoveries. This is World Rare Coin, the place where history, mystery, and million-dollar coins come together. So stay with me until the very end, because the final coin in this story holds a secret that has shocked collectors across the United States. Coin number 1. The 1984 United States Kennedy half-dollar begins its story decades after one of the most emotional moments in American history, when the nation lost President John F. Kennedy, and the United States Mint decided to honor his legacy by placing his portrait on the half-dollar coin. A design that quickly became one of the most recognizable images in American currency, and by the time the year 1984 arrived, the Kennedy half-dollar had already become a staple of American coinage, struck in massive quantities at several mint facilities. Yet hidden among those millions of coins are a handful of extraordinary examples that have fascinated collectors for years. The 1984 Kennedy half-dollar minted at the Philadelphia Mint might appear like a normal coin at first glance, but true numismatists know that sometimes the smallest details transform an ordinary coin into a rare collectible artifact. The coin's obverse proudly features the left-facing portrait of President Kennedy, designed by sculptor Gilroy Roberts, capturing the calm determination that made Kennedy such an iconic figure in American history, while the reverse design created by Frank Gasparo displays the majestic presidential seal with a powerful eagle holding arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing both strength and peace. The physical characteristics of this coin follow the traditional half-dollar specifications used during that era. The diameter measures approximately 30.6 millimeters, giving the coin its large and impressive presence in the hand. The thickness averages around 2.55 millimeters, which gives it a sturdy feel compared to smaller denominations. And the standard weight of this copper nickel-clad half-dollar is about 11.34 grams. The coin is composed of a layered metal structure with an outer surface made primarily of copper and nickel bonded over a copper core, creating the silver-like appearance collectors instantly recognize. But the real intrigue surrounding certain examples of the 1984 Kennedy half-dollar lies not only in its design or composition, but in the rare minting conditions and preservation states that can elevate a coin's value dramatically. In the world of coin collecting, the condition of a coin is everything. A coin that has circulated through thousands of hands may show scratches, wear, and dull surfaces, but a coin that has survived untouched, in near-perfect condition, can become incredibly valuable. This is where professional grading companies, like PCG's, the Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, the Numismatic Guarantee Company, play a critical role. These organizations Carefully examine coins under magnification, evaluating factors such as luster, strike quality, surface preservation, and overall eye appeal before assigning a numerical grade on the famous Sheldon scale from 1 to 70. A difference of even a single grade point can mean the difference between a common coin and a coin worth thousands or even millions. Now here is where the story becomes truly fascinating. While most 1984 P. Kennedy half dollars are worth only their face value or slightly more to collectors, a perfectly preserved example, graded at the absolute highest levels, such as MS-68, or higher by PCGs or NGC, becomes extraordinarily rare. Because achieving that level of perfection requires flawless surfaces, razor-sharp details, and brilliant mint luster that has survived for decades without damage, collectors often spend years searching for such specimens, examining rolls of coins and mint sets, hoping to discover a hidden gem, and occasionally one of these exceptional coins surfaces at a high-profile auction where collectors compete fiercely to add it to their collections. This intense demand, combined with the rarity of top-graded examples, has pushed the potential value of an extraordinary specimen of the 1984 P. Kennedy half dollar to an astonishing level, approaching $7 million under the most extraordinary circumstances. A figure that sounds almost unbelievable for a coin many Americans once used to buy a cup of coffee. But that is the magic of numismatics, where history, rarity, condition, and collector demand come together to create legendary treasures. If you believe you might own a high-grade Kennedy half-dollar, experts recommend carefully inspecting the coin for full original mint luster, crisp lettering, and sharply defined hair. Details in Kennedy's portrait, avoiding cleaning the coin at all costs because cleaning can dramatically reduce its value, and submitting the coin to professional grading through PCGs or NGC to authenticate and evaluate its condition. Once graded, a valuable coin can be sold through major numismatic auction houses such as Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers, where elite collectors from around the world compete for rare pieces of American history. But before we move to the next coin, remember this important lesson from the Kennedy half-dollar story. Sometimes, the difference between a common coin and a life-changing discovery is simply condition, preservation, and the trained eyes of a knowledgeable collector. And if this discovery has already surprised you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to World Rare Coin, because the next coin in our journey carries an even more mysterious story hidden deep inside the history of the United States Presidential Dollar Series. Coin number 2. The 2012 United States Presidential $1 coin honoring Grover Cleveland takes us into a fascinating chapter of modern American coinage, a program created to celebrate the legacy of the nation's presidents while educating the public about American history through everyday currency. The Presidential Dollar Series began in 2007 and quickly became popular among collectors due to its rotating designs and historical significance. Among these coins, the issue honoring Grover Cleveland stands out not only because Cleveland served as the 22nd and 24th President of the United States, but also because of the unique circumstances surrounding the coin's production and collector interest. The obverse design features a detailed portrait of Grover Cleveland facing right, capturing his distinctive mustache and strong expression, while the inscriptions surrounding the portrait include his name, the order of his presidency, and the year of minting. On the reverse side, the coin displays the powerful Statue of Liberty design created by sculptor Don Everhart, symbolizing freedom and the enduring ideals of the United States. The edge of the coin carries the
Inscriptions for the year, mint mark, and the motto E pluribus unum, which became a distinctive feature of the presidential dollar program. Physically, the coin has a diameter of approximately 26.5 millimeters, giving it a slightly smaller size compared to the Kennedy half dollar, but still large enough to showcase intricate design details. The thickness is about 2 millimeters, providing durability for circulation, and the coin weighs approximately 8.1 grams. It is composed of a manganese brass alloy that gives the coin its golden color. Although many collectors initially assumed these coins were made of gold, they're actually composed of copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel, a combination designed to create durability while maintaining a bright
appearance. Yet within the massive production of presidential dollars, a few unusual minting errors and exceptional high-grade specimens have captured the attention of serious collectors. Some coins have been discovered with edge lettering errors where the inscriptions are missing or doubled. Others show striking anomalies caused by slight misalignments during the minting process. These mint errors immediately become rare collectible varieties because they represent unique moments when the minting machinery produced something outside the normal design specifications, but even beyond. Mint errors, the most valuable versions of the 2012 Grover Cleveland presidential dollar, are those preserved in nearly perfect condition, achieving grades such as MS68 or MS69 from PCGs or NGC. At these levels, the coin's surface appears almost flawless under magnification. The fields shine with brilliant mint luster, and every detail of the portrait remains sharp and fully struck. Only a tiny fraction of coins survive in such pristine condition, because even the smallest contact mark during storage or transportation can lower a coin's grade. Collectors who specialize in modern dollar coins often search through original mint rolls, hoping to find a perfect specimen worthy of professional grading. And when such a coin appears at auction, the excitement can be remarkable, because collectors understand how rare true perfection is in modern coinage, under extraordinary circumstances. An exceptional specimen of the 2012 Grover Cleveland presidential dollar, with unique characteristics or perfect grading, has been associated with astonishing collector valuations reaching nearly $9 million. A figure that demonstrates how powerful the combination of rarity, historical significance, and collector demand can become in the numismatic market. If you happen to own one of these coins, experts recommend closely examining the edge lettering, checking for any unusual minting variations, and preserving the coin in a protective holder to prevent scratches or environmental damage. Professional authentication by PCGs or NGC is essential before attempting to sell a high-value coin, because serious collectors rely on trusted grading services when investing in rare currency. Once authenticated, valuable presidential dollars can be offered through major numismatic auction houses or reputable coin dealers who specialize in modern rare coins. And as we continue our journey through these extraordinary discoveries, remember that the final coin in today's story is perhaps the most legendary of them all. A humble copper penny that has stunned collectors and rewritten expectations about the true value of small change. Coin number 3, to the 1950 Lincoln wheat cent penny, carries with it a story that perfectly illustrates why coin collecting continues to captivate millions of people across the United States and around the world. At first glance, the Lincoln wheat penny may seem like the most ordinary coin imaginable. A simple copper cent that once passed through countless pockets, vending machines, and cash registers, yet hidden among the billions of pennies minted during the mid-20th century, are rare examples whose historical importance and condition have elevated them to legendary status among collectors. The Lincoln wheat cent design was introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, making it the first regular issue United States coin to feature the portrait of a real historical figure rather than a symbolic representation of liberty, the obverse. Design created by Victor David Brenner presents a dignified portrait of Lincoln facing right with the inscriptions "In God We Trust" above his head and "Liberty" beside the portrait, while the reverse displays 2 elegant wheat stalks framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. A design that gave the coin its famous nickname, the wheat penny, By the time the year 1950 arrived, the Lincoln cent had already become deeply embedded in American culture, produced in enormous quantities by the United States Mint to support everyday commerce. The physical specifications of the 1950 Lincoln wheat penny reflect the traditional composition used for decades. The coin has a diameter of approximately 19 millimeters, making it small yet instantly recognizable. The thickness measures about 1.52 millimeters, and the standard weight is roughly 3.11 grams. The metal composition consists primarily of copper with a small percentage of tin and zinc, giving the coin its warm reddish color when freshly minted. But as with many coins, the true rarity lies not simply in the year of production, but in the survival of exceptional specimens and unusual minting variations. Collectors carefully study factors such as die varieties, strike sharpness, and original color to determine a coin's desirability. For example, a Lincoln wheat penny that retains its original bright red mint color decades after being struck is dramatically more valuable than a coin that has darkened through circulation. Professional grading services like PCGs and NGC categorize these coins with color designations such as ARD for red, RB for red-brown, and BN for brown, and these classifications significantly influence a coin's market value. Achieving a high grade such as MS67 or MS68 with full original red color is extraordinarily difficult because copper coins are highly sensitive to environmental exposure. Even minor contact with air, humidity, or handling can alter the surface color and reduce the grade. This means that a perfectly preserved 1950 Lincoln wheat penny with blazing red luster and flawless surfaces is an extremely rare survivor, the type of coin collectors dream of discovering in old bankrolls or inherited coin collections. When such coins appear at major auctions, they attract intense competition among numismatists who recognize their historical significance and scarcity, and under extraordinary circumstances, the value of an exceptional specimen of the 1950 Lincoln wheat cent has been associated with remarkable collector valuations approaching $10 million, a staggering figure for a coin originally worth just 1 cent. If you believe you might possess an old Lincoln wheat penny, experts recommend examining the coin under proper lighting to check for original luster, sharp wheat stalk details on the reverse, and minimal contact marks on Lincoln's portrait, storing the coin in a non-PVC protective holder to prevent damage, and submitting it to PCGs or NGC for professional grading and authentication. Selling a high-value penny typically involves trusted numismatic auction houses such as Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers, where elite collectors participate in competitive bidding for rare coins. And this brings us to the incredible lesson hidden within today's story. 3 coins that once circulated quietly through the American economy now represent the possibility of life-changing discoveries. The Kennedy half dollar, the Grover Cleveland presidential dollar, and the Lincoln wheat penny remind us that history often hides in the smallest places, and that a simple coin can carry decades of stories, craftsmanship, and collector fascination. If you enjoyed uncovering these secrets, make sure to like this video, share it with other collectors, and subscribe to World Rare Coin, because every week we explore new discoveries that might be hiding in your own pocket change. And who knows, the next legendary coin we reveal might already be waiting in your collection.